Get ready for the dictation. Start. These writ petitions primarily challenge the orders dated 24/1/2020 and 27/1/2020 issued by the state government, giving direction to all the district collectors and subdivisional officers in the state of Rajasthan for reconstitution of Gram Panchayats and further provide for reservation to general female oblique OBC, female oblique OBC oblique SC oblique ST in the Panchayat elections in different categories by way of draw of lots. The writ petitions also challenge the consequential orders issued by different election registration officer (SDM) by drawing the lottery, in particular Gram Panchayat, in compliance of the orders issued on 24/1/2020 and 27/1/2020. These writ petitions are being decided by this common order as the petitions involve a common question of law and interpretation of various provisions contained in the Constitution of India, Rajasthan Panchayati Raj Act 1994 and the Rajasthan Panchayati Raj (election rules 1994. This court will take SB Civil Writ Petition number 2509/2020 as a lead case, and facts pleaded in the said petition are noted for the purpose of deciding the controversy involved in other writ petitions raising the legal issue. The petitioner has pleaded that she is a resident and voter of village Rodwal Panchayat Samiti Nimrana, district Alwar, and as such she is entitled to contest election in the Gram Panchayat Rodwal. The petitioner has pleaded that a notification dated 15/11/2019 was issued by the respondents under section 101 of the Rajasthan Panchayati Raj Act 1994 hereinafter shall be referred as Act of 1994, whereby certain Gram Panchayats in the Panchayat Samiti Nimrana were reconstituted, and as such total 33 Gram Panchayats were notified in the Panchayat Samiti Nimrana. The petitioner has stated that State Election Commission declared the election program and lottery was drawn on 18/12/2019. In the draw of lots, Gram Panchayat Rodwal was reserved for general female candidate, and it was clear to all concerned that the post of Sarpanch in Gram Panchayat Rodwal was reserved for general female candidate. The petitioner has pleaded that the election program was issued by the State Election Commission, and the schedule published revealed that in the first spell nominations were to be filed on 7/1/2020 and the date of election was 17/1/2020. The petitioner has pleaded that in Alwar district, elections of 29 Gram Panchayats of Panchayat Samiti Nimrana were scheduled to be held in the first spell, that is 17/1/2020. The petitioner has pleaded that in view of the election program declared by the State Election Commission, the petitioner filed her nomination form to contest election being general female candidate for the post of Sarpanch, and she also deposited the requisite amount and completed the necessary formalities, and she was also issued electoral symbol by the respondents. The petitioner has pleaded that certain Gram Panchayats were created, constituted and amalgamated after notification dated 15/16/11/2019, and the same was the subject matter of challenge before the division bench of principal seat at Jodhpur and the division bench in Jaising versus State of Rajasthan and others (DB Civil Writ Petition number 17993/2019) and other connected matters had quashed and set aside all the subsequent notifications issued after dated 15/16/11/2019. wide order dated 13/12/2019, and as such the creation, recreation and amalgamation of such gram panchayats was declared null and void by the division bench. The petitioner has pleaded that the order of division bench dated 13/12/2019 was put to challenge before the apex court by the state government by way of filing SLP number 30471/2019, and the effect and operation of the order passed by the division bench of this court was stayed by the apex court wide order dated 8/1/2020. The petitioner has pleaded in the writ petition that the State Election Commission issued an order dated 9/1/2020 in compliance of the direction issued by the apex court in SLP number 30471/2019 within bracket State of Rajasthan versus Jai Singh, and it was declared that the elections were to be held in Gram Panchayats as per the earlier election program of the State Election Commission. The petitioner has pleaded that though she had filed her nomination form out due to passing of the interim order dated 8/1/2020 by the apex court, the State Election Commission has decided not to hold elections in the Panchayat Samiti Nimrana, and as such the elections did not take place on the stipulated date, that is 17/1/2020. Stop.